How did? Calvin? Oh, lad, man. I think you was somebody else. Me did I call you? Me no know. You see one call from me? Eh, oh, me, how you are? Me no know if me did I call you. I can't make look, you know. And I can remember when me eat for breakfast this morning. Yes, I dismember John Camille Paris. Calvin, yes. Oh, yes, the mechanic. Oh, yes, man. Oh, you what? No. Me did I hear one little sound? Yes, man, right underneath the chassis there, so. Me hear it is a rattle little bit, so that's why me did I call you for see. You know if you could have come look on it for me and shit, Monday? Alright, no. And you want me to carry down at the garage and you go come up here and look on it. You don't know where me live, man. Me live right up on the hill, man. Can't miss it. It's a big brown house. The well 45, man. Nobody can come in here, you know, man. Me have lamb, me have lamb all over for me place, you know. Yes, man. And you see if you come at gate, no? You see if you come at gate, no? And like say, you touch the gate, you know, you lamb go off straight time, you know. No, you can't touch a gate, none at all. So when you come, you have to stay far off and you just have to wave your hand over it. So when I me look friend then say if you come install it for me don't know nothing about it. You just come install it and say it's better than the one when me did have it before. So that means that nobody no come too close. So when you come, all you have to do, you just wave your hand over the intercom and everything with this light up and we hear you and you can't come. Alright, yes. So you say, yeah, go come up here. Alright. Yeah, man. Me think I did a mix here, no? Cough syrup, man.